Welcome back to Recreational Garage. We have here a bunch of electronic stuff. So we have our leash electronics, street and strip relay and fuse panel board. We have an extra fuse panel from them as well. So I'm going to wire this into the ignition output. So basically once key on, this will go live, that'll go that, and this gives us 6 extra fused outputs for wiring things. Then we have our Rife sensors, 5V plus. That's going to go with our computer here for all of our 5V sensors, which we have this lowdoller-motorsports block for our pressure sensors. So we have our map sensor, fuel and oil pressure sensors. I bought the wrong sided one, so their logo is going to be upside down in the car. I thought I was going to be able to put it on the other side of the engine, but there's just not room there. And then we also have our MSD 6A box here. It's the new one with the cool plug. I'm excited to get all this stuff in. And last we have our firewall bulkheads from Maven Performance. So these are Deutsch connectors. We have 16 pin here, and I believe it's 47 pin here. These are all 12 gauge, and then these are a mix of 20 and 16 gauge. So this will be all of our sensor wires that go to the car from the computer, that go to the motor from the computer. And then we have these Radloks for battery cables and alternator cables to go through as well, some more bulkhead stuff. So this stuff's all really cool. This goes on the firewall on the engine side in the engine bay. This goes on the firewall, basically get all the wires through, and then everything else here, other than the bulkheads, is going to go under the dash. So that's our struggle and what we have to find here. I kind of want these behind the glove box if I can make it work. So you open the glove box and you can get to all your fuses. These pieces I don't need to have regular access to as much, except for the computer does have a port on it here for hooking up the computer to it to data log and look at, or to pull data logs rather. So I think I can do a remote cable on that, where maybe we open the glove box and just the cable's right there, but we'll see. So big ones to do, these two, and then these two, and this little guy should be able to go somewhere pretty easily. So that's what we're going to work on. A lot of pre-game planning out, trying to figure out where this stuff goes. I've got a pretty good idea where this is going to go, pretty good idea where this is going to go. These things we just kind of have to see where they fit. So that's what we're working on. I don't expect to make huge progress here. It's going to be a lot more just holding stuff up, getting a couple more things under the dash bolted up that go with the car, so we see where we've got room. So anyway, that's a lot of talking for this video. Let's get to it and just see what we can get done. All right, we made a little progress this week. I got the throttle cable going in here. It does need to be shortened. These are designed to be shortened, but I wanted to just see if my throttle pedal was good, and I am having a problem where there's not enough throw on the throttle pedal to fully open the throttle body. So I've got a couple things that I'm going to work with on that and try to figure that out. I wanted to get the throttle cable in because this is a spot where I want to put these sensors, and I think they can fit here. One of the things I'm going to do with the throttle cable, I think it's going to end up moving up about 1.25 inches or so, and that'll actually make it to where this has better spot here. I'm a little bit worried about heat with these sensors here, so anybody that has some experience with that, let me know if you've had any problems with any of that stuff. The bulkhead pieces here, I think I'm going to try to put this on the firewall, like somewhere right in here. Let's see, get that actually on camera there. Somewhere right in this area. We'll drill the holes and get those mounted up there. I think there'll be room for that. And then I've got the coil here. I think I'm just going to mount this right down here somewhere, probably right about there. And then I think that'll work for that. So pretty much all we did was get the throttle cable in and then hold a bunch of stuff up in place and just make sure that it looks like it's going to work. So we'll keep pushing forward. I really didn't expect a lot of progress on this, just trying to figure some stuff out. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.